Here comes two!
Hey guys, how's it going? I am making some thumbnails today because, well, I need to do it anyway, so I figured I might as well just stream it because I've got 4 to make. Well, I actually got 2, but because I'm doing the live stream it makes it 4, but I think it's worthwhile. So thumbnails can be a tricky little thing because you put a whole lot of work into making a YouTube video and then you finally finish it and export it and you got to upload it and realize you're not actually finished, you have more work to do. So they can be a tricky little thing. But I'm going to get ahead on some of them today. I have one video that's ready to upload. I just need a thumbnail. And I have another one that's going to be ready soon. And I'll need a thumbnail. And I also need a thumbnail for my streams. Just like if I want to do something kind of spontaneous, I need something that's kind of default across the board and ready to go. So I'm going to make that today as well. And first of all, I'm going to make a thumbnail for this stream. I'm going to be using Natron, which I've made one YouTube video about on this channel. I'm going to make a series about coming up, so that's what one of these thumbnails will be for as well. Natron is a free compositing software. It's 2D only, it's node based, and it's based heavily off the industry standard, which is Nuke. I am a Nuke compositor at Weta Digital, so I've used Nuke a lot, and it's very similar to, as I said, it's very similar to Natron. So I haven't used Natron a whole lot, but I'm very comfortable in Natron just because of how similar to Nuke it is. So I'll be using that, and the benefit of that is that anybody can use it. You can just go to the website. I should put a link to the website in the description, actually. Let me do that right now. Natron. Edit my description. Link for Natron. Download. There we go. Save that. Cool. It always takes my YouTube studio a long time to pick up that I've actually gone live, which is very bizarre. I don't know why it does that. Sorry guys, I'm just messing with my YouTube studio thing. Maybe if I go to the studio through here. This is something I need to figure out, but it's something I can only figure out while I'm live, of course, because it's only there while I'm live. Anyway, enough of that. Okay, I'm gonna flick over to my desktop and I'm gonna launch Natron. So as I went over in this video, this is it. Also, I've got this little thing down the bottom corner here that shows my keystrokes, so you can see what shortcuts I'm using to control Natron. Hopefully the keyboard isn't too loud. I might move my microphone over there. And no, I probably shouldn't have it in a different direction than I'm speaking, sorry. Okay. So the very first thing I'm going to be doing is making a thumbnail for this live stream. So, by the way, I haven't thought about these at all, so I'm going to be doing the whole creative process live right now. So I'm going to need a picture of me, which I'll probably grab. I'm going to need like a live thing. I actually already have one. I have this thing here, which is a pre-made thing. But for the purposes of this, what it is a text node. I wrote live. Scale it up a little bit. Actually, I should use font size to scale it up. Pick a bold. Font style. Hint style. What is that? Bear with me while I find font style. I might have to do it like this. Arial, bold. Oh, it'll be a style. Bold. There we go. Oh, that didn't really work, did it? Oh well, I'll just use it as is then. Okay, like that. We're going to grab a roto node. going to draw a shape around it, kind of a rectangle. Maybe make it a little less perfect. And we're going to make it a color, so let's make it red. So if I look at this now, it's red. And then we're going to do we could do an edge detect if this software has one. Yes, it has an edge detect. So we can get this here, like an outline for it, erode it to make it way bigger. Yeah, I didn't think it would work very well. Oh, it is working kind of fine. So what there's an issue here is you see this line here, this one here and here. This is the bounding box. So it's kind of, you can imagine it like a crop. So this is our format resolution, which is driven in the settings right here, so in HD. But anything outside of this line will be cut off, and so the roto node is what's creating this here. So if I change the size, the shape of the roto, the bounding box will get bigger. And some nodes don't treat the bounding box correctly. Oh, it actually looks like it is. Oh, it is. It's doing something very funny. It's not perfect. See how it's getting cut off there? So to fix that, we just need to put an adjust. It's called ROI in Natron, which stands for region of interest. Wait, no it doesn't. ROD? I don't know what D means. Oh, there's no information on it. ROD? What's the D stand for? Doesn't matter. It is region of interest, region of area. If I hold down control while hovering over these, it will connect the node sometimes. It connected it to the viewer in this case, like that. So now we can add a bunch of pixels. It's just scaling up this. That's all it's doing. But it means, see how we're getting that corner back? Oh, sorry. There. Fixed. We don't need quite that much. Ideally, you want the smallest possible bounding box you can without breaking anything. Where if I just hold the mouse over this, you can see down here the color samples. If that's even not updating like now, it's because you have a sample clicked. And to be honest with you, is there a pixel editor in this software? I don't know how to unselect these, but if you hold down control, now we'll do the sampling again. But as you can see, the samples are, so yeah, I'm holding down control and dragging here, that's how I'm sampling this. And it's not 1, there's not a value of 1 in here, so I need to essentially just grade these up. So if I take, ooh, it's doing something a bit strange. It's pre-multiplying it, so if I do that, it should do it, no. Interesting. Yes, it is working. Pre-mult. I can get into that if anyone cares, but it's fairly basic. So I just want to make this white, so I'm just going to grab my white point and drag it down until this here is 1. Actually, I'm probably going to go a little bit further. You got to resample in Natron. That's not cool. Anyway, and then I'm going to clamp white as well. So these values will just be 1, just like that. I should probably save this, shouldn't I? Thumbnail making. Yep. Stream thumbnail 01. I guess it's actually 02 because I have the temp one. And sorry, I should drag these. I should probably go there. Maybe I should go down here. Okay. So what we have now is we have our roto up here and our outline down here. So if I make a merge node, I can maybe, hopefully. Okay. So that's our red, green, and blue is the outline, and our alpha channel is looking at that. So if I over it, it's going to do not what we want. So essentially black is part of our image here. So if I just make a shuffle node, plug it in like that, and this is the B pipe, so I want to go to the alpha and I want the red from B. So B pipe color from red, which will basically tell my alpha channel from here to be the same as the red channel, just like that. So now if I toggle between alpha, we see this. So now looking here, it won't work, but if I move this to here, it will do that. And we have our text node somewhere. If I just make a merge, yep, like that, live. So now we have a live thing similar to what I have here. Not exactly the same, obviously, but very similar. I made this one in Nuke actually, so that I was able to control the text. I should be able to do it here. I just can't figure out where bold is. Thought it would be that. Maybe it's that, both of these. Hold up, wait. I want like bold. There we go. There we go. So I can control the border thickness by eroding this a little bit more. Like that maybe. I can change the shape of the roto. A little more. Excuse me. Nice. Of course I could make it a perfect square if I wanted to, but I like a little imperfect. There we go. Done. So we'll use that one. So I need a picture of me. Now I actually have a bunch of pictures, but for the sake of the stream, I'm just going to make another one. So I should stand up for it, or if I just sit up straight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to full screen me. I'm just going to do a little recording, and I'm just going to pull some faces. Streaming, making thumbnails. That should be more straight, more centered. Even one maybe where I'm leaning back. This might kind of looks like a big cock sticking out there. Let me move that. Something like that. Maybe something like, yeah. Making thumbnails. It's fun. Thumbnail making. Alright, something in there will be good. So let's get back to this. Let me just move that file. Thumbnail. Face. Just moving that over. Okay, so if I here's that video we just recorded. If I set this to input, if that's an option here, might not be. Oh, it does it anyway. No. Yeah, so it's changed the frame rate to the first video file that it's brought in, which is this one here. See up here, you can see the frame rate, and in the project settings, it's automatically updated to that, which is cool. We're working on frame 1. Not this will all stick for the whole frame range, no matter where I go in the timeline, but this will change. So we can grab some of these frames. Surely I smiled. Surely. Look happy. Oh, there we go. Something like this. Where am I looking, man? I'm looking at my screen, not the camera. I'm looking down here, not up here. Lol. Does YouTube have like live updating thumbnails? Like, it'd be cool if, like, this would almost be a good thumbnail. I should, you know what I mean? Like, maybe that's it right here, like this. Like this. And then like, this wasn't my plan at all, but I mean, might have just got a freebie. Thumbnail option. Drag that over. So what I'm doing here is I'm just recording in OBS. I'm just hitting record and making these video files. Should have been looking at the camera. Oh well. Anyway, like, I reckon this is a perfectly good background. If I just put a frame hold under here and then take our live thing, merge it over. Ooh, do not have the same frame rate. This might yield unwanted issues. Either change the FPS in the read node parameters or change the settings in the project. It's interesting. Don't know where I got a frame rate from. Frame rate doesn't matter. Excuse me. Frame rate does not matter for a single frame image, so we're not going to worry about it. So I can just take that, scale it down. Live. Maybe a text. And we'll go making thumbnails. And now we know how to make it bold. Bold. Excuse me. I'm gonna make this red. I'm gonna use a constant and a merge. I'm just gonna mask it by the text because the text makes it its own RGBA, so I can use it as a mask. Mask like that. And I need to put a color in here, so let's go 1. It's the mix. Thank you. Thumbnails. There's almost certainly a text color in here. It might be this. But I find it easier to font color. There it is, right there. But I just find it nicer this way to kind of control them separately. Personal preference, probably not a good one, but here we go. Making thumbnails and merge again. Yes, I know. Maybe we give it a. Doesn't look that good, does it? Maybe we do it in here. So if we go like this, we can go and put a background color on. Oh, but that's not going to work anyway. Okay, we'll do it like this then. Another constant. Make it kind of like a gray color. Nice. Photo. Square. Just giving this a background. That's all I'm doing. Just like that. That's what I had in mind. Still doesn't look that good, does it? Excuse me. It's kind of getting somewhere. Oh, and I'll put the Natron logo in there, which I downloaded from the internet, but I have my own version of somewhere on here. Logos. Won't be under here, will it? Excuse me. Oh, where? It's in apps. I am. Ah, elements. No. Brand. YouTube film. Where do I put these things? Where is my Natron logo? Recent. In there. Website, thumbnails. Where the hell did I put all this stuff? Huh. I knew something like this would happen halfway around. I'd get lost in my overly complex. God damn it, man! Natron logo. Let's see. I'll probably go to put it in a place, and I'll put it exactly where it where I had it. Save image as. Where would I put this? I would go like. Maybe I go into thumbnail elements, and I'd put it in here. LMN. No. It's for the best. Done. Already has an alpha. That easy. Okay. Yes. Stop wanting me of that. Scale that down. Natron's not a very colourful logo, is it? Man, if that ain't an unprofessional looking logo. Thumbnail, not logo. But for a stream logo, I think it will do. Why do I keep saying logo? Stream thumbnail o2.jpg. Save. 335. Shouldn't change. Good. Settings in here. We're just going to do RGB. We're going to do manual frame range, frame 1. Check the alpha channel. It's a bit for it shouldn't matter without an alpha. Okay, render. See if that worked. Done. Maybe we don't need that stuff there. So we're just going to go to this part. Yeah. Stick transform in. To scale a little bit in Y. Just a smidge. There we go. Re-render that. And we're done. So now if I come to my stream, let's do it over here. I'm not signed over there. Okay, let's do it over here then. Why does it say go live? Where is my... like YouTube stream manager, YouTube live dashboard. I'm live right now. Why can't I click past this? When do you want to go live? I am live. Right now. Streaming software, go. This is ridiculous, YouTube. Start sending us your video from your streaming software to go live. Yet I am already live. Download and set up your streaming software. Learn more, blah, blah, blah. You may also need in your streaming software. Start sending us your feed. I am live. I can literally watch myself right here. This is... Start sending us your video from your streaming software to go live. Yet I am already live. Download and set up your streaming software. Doesn't make any sense, huh? Look at this. Go live. Why does it do that? It's literally live right now. Take me there. Take me there. I can't click past this. That is so strange. Oh, wait. Do I need to click the manage button now? Manage? Why wouldn't it clear my my thing? Go. Yay, got that. So that cancel, manage. Yes. Just learned something. Upload thumbnail. YouTube film. Live streams this one. Thumbnail 2. Done. Save. Oh, I need to put it in the playlist. Live streams. Save. There we go. Look at that. Now if I go to this, there we go, probably fine. So if I go here, refresh. There we go, look at that. Nice. I'm a pro. Okay, so that'll do. That's that one done. Close that. Control F4. Wow. So the next one I want to make is... So I made this YouTube video. Not for this channel, for my other YouTube channel. Gaming videos. This one here, a little sneak peek. Because I'm still actually figuring it out, to be honest, but it was really, really exciting to get. I worked pretty... Not that. That one. Hey YouTube, how's it going? I got a real...
Oh. Fucking
playing some Call of Duty.
I
was just about to fry that guy. So I need a thumbnail for that. So that's the wrong one. Let's just see if there's something in here for the version of me. Mid-sentence. Stream I had. First game of that stream, I got 20 kills. With Taylor, really good games. I'm playing now. Maybe something like that could work. Let's go with yes. So just drag that in. So I'm just looking for a frame that I can use for me. Looking all happy. Whoops, it's not spacebar. Something like that. It's kind of a dead-eye smile, but let's see if we can make it work. Frame hold. Frame 37. 81. And I've also got these excuse me for just a moment while I've got these gaming thumbnail elements. Got some backgrounds in here from Call of Duty. So let's use that one, and I'm just going to defocus it as well. Defocus it. What about the camera? Never mind. Let's go Bloom. Oh, bloom could be interesting, couldn't it? Size. Nah. We want blur. We want defocus. Soften. Let's try that. Man. I mean, we can get the same effect from hi. Let me translate this. Do I have it over here? I am afraid I do not understand Google Translate. We have technology. I am training word recognition in another language. Okay. So I am going to stay on the live and hear you talk. Cool. I'll take it. Good evening. Hello. Welcome. I'm speaking English. I will do my best to keep talking. I'm going to do that regardless. I hope I can speak clearly enough for your language training. Okay. Let's just use blur then. I would normally use a defocus, but blur's close enough for what we're doing here. Blur. Let's make the frame rate whatever this one is. Frame rate 60. Frame rate 60, so we still getting that damn warning. And do the whole shuffle constant trick. Make that 1. Alpha color from anything in A. And we need to do a reformat because this is a slightly bigger resolution. It's a slightly smaller resolution. I stand corrected, but doesn't matter. To HD. There we go. Now when we merge these, they'll be the same. I'm also just going to scale this guy up just a little bit, just because I got my render stat, my game stats in there. So I'm just going to go push it out like that. Done. Done. One more click. There we go. So I need to. Oh, I need to save this, of course. Gaming videos, bomb, Gmail, and there we go. I need to not mumble because this guy's got his robot listening to me. His deep learning, I'm assuming. Thumbnail, and I call it like S35 TL version of 1. 35 is this number, right? Yeah. Now here comes the, excuse me, really exciting part where I wrote in my outline. I'm going to jump into full screen. I'm going to start drawing a shape. So if I was rotoing something like this for any more than 1 frame, or any more than, I guess, 3 frames maybe, I would do this roto shape in sections. So I'm going to go around the whole of me in 1 shape and then a couple to stencil. If I was rotoing me in a video file, like I was moving here, I would probably do like this section as one chunk and then the shoulder is one chunk. My face is a bunch of chunks, blah, 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 blah. But because it's one frame, it will be quicker to just draw one shape, providing Natron doesn't crash halfway through. So, boom, boom, boom. Just like that. It gets a little bit funny when I have facial hair like this, but whatever. Go around the headphones, because all gamers wear headphones anyway, so we keep them in. Oh, has my thing stopped working? I'll check in a minute if my on-screen thingamajigs stopped working. Very exciting. Hopefully I'm not going too quiet for this guy's word robot to leave my stream. I'd rather have a robot listening to me than nobody. Past halfway of the slow monotonous part. I'm just going to take the outside most part of the shape and I'll come in here with some separate shapes to remove the background. It's interesting how the webcam gives me this kind of dark outline. It's really fascinating. Cool. Enter. Yep. Okay. Oh, it is still working. Weird. Okay, and another shape just for these pieces down here, sort of thing. There we go. Some up here. Go. We said more. Why did I close that tab? Google Translate. Your hand must hurt from having to control everything with the mouse. If you can understand me, I use a Wacom tablet at work, so it's not very common for me to use a mouse like this. But you're right, if I had to use a mouse like this all day, holy damn, that would not be fun. I'd get RSI very quickly. But yeah, I normally use a pen. I hope the clicking isn't bothering the stream or your deep learning. I'll be teaching it a language of clicks, which I'm sure they'll find very consistent and tough to interpret. There we go. Last one. There we go. Great, save that. So now I got all these shapes, and I want these ones to be minusing. Oh, it actually stencils in here. This is great. Nuke doesn't have an option to stencil out of roto shapes. Except Nuke does do them all at once. Oh man, I gotta do this individually. Stencil. 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 Stencil is basically just cut out. So now we have, what is this one here? You're kidding me, it didn't work. You serious? Oh man. Oh, well that's bizarre, it did work. Sorry, let's try refreshing the viewer. Oh, well, copying and pasting does some things sometimes. Anyway, so there's my background. So this is my RGB, no alpha. Plug it into the roto, which has this in it, and it's already done it. So what's done here is no red, no green, no blue, but alpha. So I've taken the image and I've added an alpha channel to it, which is basically what we want. So to get rid of the background here, all I need to do is add a pre-mult. Pre-mult, and that basically just says multiply the red, green, and blue by the alpha. So what we have in here is 1 and 0. So whatever colors here times 0 equals nothing. Whatever colors we have in here times 1 equals whatever colors we have in here. And that's how pre-multiplying works. It's a technique that is basically very essential to compositing, and it's kind of left out of the After Effects workflow, which is very strange. I've just crashed Natron. I haven't. There we go. Okay. So now we have me over the background, just like this. Perfect. It's taken a while to save for some reason. What I'm going to need is, this is for the significance of this video, is it was my first Twitch stream as affiliate, and it was a decent gameplay as well. So I'm just going to see what images I can find of affiliate. So that's interesting. So Twitch has its kind of gems there. Could be useful. Will be useful actually. So if we take this, hopefully it's a decent sized image. Gaming videos. It's not very big. That's a little bigger. Twitch gems 02. Let's type Twitch gems, see what we get. Or should I say bits, because that's what they're called. Twitch bits. Twitch bits 1. I could make my own one. See, there's a thumbnail. That's quite an interesting one. The thing about my thumbnails is I'm always very careful to put a face on them. It's 16 gig? No way, that's huge. It's Twitch app? Twitch app isn't, I don't know, that's crazy that it'll be that big. The 16G, I don't know what that is actually. I got it on my phone. My phone's not that good. It's pretty old. Unlucky though, my man. Unlucky. This needs a little bit of... I just need to take the lift down just a smidge and a little less on the blue. That's what I've done. I've just kind of white balanced it essentially. Well, color balanced it more. Oh, that's a shame. My roto's doing some funny things. I can just come in and refine that here. It's better to be too far in than creating a dark edge like that. There we go. I'm also just going to add a slight blur to the alpha channel only. Just 2 pixels. There we go. It's not liking that for some reason. That's fine though. I'll never notice. Cool. So there's that. Oh, that one's broken. Doesn't really like these. Let's try minus to see if that makes a difference. Oh. Just needs a bit of a wake up, I think. I think that's all. Natron does this. See, now it's gone back. Whatever. We'll forget about it for now. We'll check it in the render stage. Okay, we got some more images to work with here. So we got Twitch gems and stuff like that. Okay. Tiny resolution. Oh, really tiny resolution. Another one. I might make my own text. Twitch affiliate. Make the font size bigger. Put it up at the top here. Want to do the constant thing we did before, and I want it to be kind of purple, the Twitch purple. That. Mask again. Mask, just like that. So now we have title over controllable text. Let's try bold again. Bold. Bold. Yeah, that looks better. Twitch affiliate. Nice. Put that over the top. I kind of want this thumbnail to be kind of celebratory, so might need to scale me down a little bit. I can actually move the center point of this here just like that, and put it right on the bottom actually, so I can take the center point and put that at 0. Now I know when I scale I'm not going to run out of space at the bottom. I'm going to scale me down just a bit, just like that kind of thing. I might even try, kind of want the words to bend over my face. Do we have STMap? Oops. Hello? STMap. Fantastic. So we got a source here. Generate. Oh, I don't have an STMap to work with though. What about a grid warp? No warp tools? McWarp. There we go. Never used this tool. Wow, that looks kind of cool. I don't know what I just did, but that looks dope. I'm just gonna take it. Warp. Let's see what else we get. I wanted to kind of Excuse me one moment. I'm just going to take my my jersey off real quick. It's hot sitting under these lights. I'm gonna need some more water. Okay. Let's scale this down at all. It's kind of cool. It's kind of really cool. Oh man, saving is slow. Now, how do I warp in this software? I think I can learn the basics about thumbnails here too. I hope so. This is free software too, so two birds, one stone. Yeah, man. Don't have to pay for the software either, so it's a good one to learn. How do I warp? Lens distort. Oh, that's perfect. I distort. That would be the one though. So now what I can do, source, and take a radial. So radial is basically a circle, just like that. UV. This will take some. Well, that's not what I was expecting. Yeah, that's more like it. Let's try invert. Why is that so? Never mind. Let's just take a shuffle node alpha from the red. So now alpha's working. We don't need to do that. Actually, yes we do. Where did I get this one? You know what, a lens distortion might be kind of a hacky way to do it. So lens distortion either like fish bowls or the invert of that. So if I just, yeah, perfect. Model nuke, okay, distort, yeah. Output image. That's kind of exactly what I'm after. Touch affiliate. It's kind of doing a weird thing here, which is kind of expected if I think about it. This one is behaving strangely though. Have I got a different resolution here? It's an I distort U channel red. Alpha channel A red. Oh, okay. Where's my distortion? Offset. I don't know why the hell it's grading it like that. That doesn't make any sense. It's not what an eye distort should do. Otherwise that would work. Otherwise that would be working very well. If I combine the two sort of thing. Why is it doing that? That's a shame. Our warping capabilities are not that good, it seems. That's unfortunate. Dragon curve. Various. Stuff it. Let's just use the lens distort one. That kind of looks cool. Twitch affiliate. Let's see if I can't tweak these to make it a little bit bigger. I got a question for you. Good night. Good night. I was wondering if you could understand me. It was great to follow your Trav work. Thank you. You must be able to understand me somewhat. It'd be hard, surely. See you in the next live. There will be more. That one must say good night or something. See you. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for stopping by. Appreciate it. If you're still here, can you understand English? If not, good night. See you later. Okay. Wait. Let's redraw that frame. Twitch affiliate. Go. Why do we run out of, oh. I see. Do that cool thing, let's distort. Move it up, boom, Twitch affiliate. Where is like none? It's a weird effect, but I kind of dig it. Twitch affiliate, yay! And then blur the background maybe a little more. Just like that. I'm also gonna put some kind of like some gems in there. Like. I don't really want to make these myself, but if I have to, let's try one more time. Twitch bits. Whoa, that looks cool as. Save images. T-now. Bits. Let's see if I can find any more. Or see if this guy has some more. Wow, that looks dope. fun, man. Save images. Bits 3. Let's hope Natron can read GIF files. I am confident that it can. Yes. 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 Save images. Bits 1. So I missed one. Save images. Bits 04. Don't give. Bits 5. Don't give. Cool. Here's a kind of a bit of a random way of putting them in. 3. Where'd they all go? 1, 2, 3. So we're missing 1. 1, 2, 3, and we're missing 4. Just for my OCD, I have to reorder these real quick. Excuse me one moment. And done. So now what I have is I bet these play too. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. I'm sure. Cool. Fantastic. And yep, it's gonna do that every time. There. All of the bits. Let's put the gold one up like it's the sun, shall we? This Twitch affiliate bit should come down here and be the, go to the top of that. So I'm just reordering the layers. Doesn't matter where these nodes are positionally in the node graph, it just matters which order the merges are placed in. So B stands for background, A stands for over. Not really, but it does kind of. Let's move this guy over here, scale him down 1. Put the red one over here. Purple one down here. Let's see if I can do a frame mold. Something like that maybe. Frame mold. See if they do anything interesting. That and the red one over there. You guys down here. Let's see if you have something interesting to do under there. Oh, that's already cooler. Well, I better check they're all doing something cool. What do you do? Neat, neat. Got a little sparkle action going. Cool, cool. Starting to look like something, and I wanted to do, yeah, I want to do like a something fun, like that. Whoops. Another one out here, skinnier one, and another skinny one down here. Skinny one. What I'm just doing here is just kind of randomly drawing like a light glow type thing. So what I can do now is well, I probably won't use a grade to be honest, but I can just demonstrate that I can do something like that. And blue these just a smidge. And then blue them again a lot. And mix those back. Not quite that much. Kind of like a lightsaber-y sort of effect. Like that. And I might make these like super warm. Or because, yeah, make it kind of go like green because that will work in conjunction with the affiliate. Ooh, kind of looks gross though. Kind of just mess around here a little bit. Kind of like a gem color, purple color. Or maybe like a light purple. Lol, didn't commit to it. Something like that. I want the Twitch affiliate to be bigger. That's a tricky thing to do. Let's try this. Twitch affiliate. Letter spacing, here we go. Twitch affiliate. And one more thing would be to do like a very soft shape here, blur the crap out of it, like a couple of 100 pixels, maybe like that. Add that over there, screen, we'll do that. It kind of adds them together but clips them at 1, so it doesn't go any brighter than 1. Frozen again. Sweet. And now kind of get this sort of effect going on. Like the sun is shining out of my ass is the effect I'm going for here. Man, I keep hitting save too much. And we get that. Ta-da! One thing I want to do with all of these guys is erode their alpha channel just a little bit. So if I go unpremult, erode, and then premult, and I take this erode and I just make it -1, like that. So now the difference will be from that. It's not exactly working, is it? Oh, just the alpha channel. Erode. Oh, 1. There we go. So from that to that, there we go. So it just takes that bright edge off, which is what I'm going for. So whoops. So it goes from this, wherever you are, that there to that there. You see the difference there? So as I mentioned, the alpha channel thing earlier, I just unmultiplied it, pulled it in, remultiplied it. If you're not following, I apologize. Ask in the chat, and I will clarify it for you. So let's make these go like this. Just kind of keeping this somewhat tidy. Apologies, anyone watching with OCD. Yeah, that'll be a gnarly one. I haven't figured out the like snap to grid thing yet. My scripts at work are much tidier than this. So that, no, it's okay. Do that, there, and there. Same setup for all these. In fact, see, okay, here's an interesting thing. Instead of doing all that, I can just do it once by merging these separately. So just a little bit of script etiquette would be to treat these kind of as their own element. So if I make a merge node here and I attach all of these to it like this, I delete all of these but 1, and I merge the merge like that. Take these and do it to all of them at once. So now what we have is they're coming in at the funny format, but if I do, see, this is the resolution that they're picking up because it's coming from the background resolution of these. So whichever one is B, this one here. So it's taking this one's resolution. So if I do a reformat here as well, it should, and put it to HD, it should, and none. Keep it same size, and center off. There we go. All those settings. So merge, and they've all got the funny alpha, and this one will hit them all at once. Look at that magic. Oh, I've made a right node. I saved it again. Oh no. We're good. Natron's working really well for me today. Da 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 da. Crop. Get rid of the overscan that we don't need. Now, there's also a 20 kill Warzone game in there, which is something I kind of want to advertise. So I want to make like a little, see if I can find the thing I have. Gaming, thumbnails, thumbnail, elements, and a D, right? A, B, C, D, F, S. Kill counter. Looking for a little skull. Little wee skull. I'm pretty sure it's in here somewhere. Okay, it isn't. Hold on, I gotta find it. Just give me 2 seconds. Seriously? It's under elements. View. Skull, Warzone counter, there it is, right there. So I just have this, it's literally just, I found a skull on the internet, wrote it around it, kind of tweaked it, made it look a little cooler. I'm pretty sure it has, I thought it had red eyes. And so I just want to get a text node, 20 bomb, as they call it in the Warzone community. Bold, bold, bigger. Bigger. Just like that. Text node, merge node. That one there. Scale her down. I kind of want to put like text and go and it's kind of dumb. Look here. Wait, where am I? 21 text. Ah, it doesn't do that? Weird. Okay. Never mind. Merge. Yep, get out of here. 20 bomb text and 20 bomb text Warzone gameplay, and that can be that. 20 bomb Warzone gameplay, a little bit bigger. You know what, that That one has to go. It has to go down here. Oh, this is untidy, but it is what it is. Just like that. And you also get, for watching this video, 20 bomb Warzone gameplay. Twitch affiliate and 20 bomb Warzone gameplay. Wonder if that should go. There we go. Crap. I froze it. It's just, yep, come on. There, ba-boom. We have a thumbnail. Twitch affiliate. One thing I also tend to do, it's kind of tacky, but jack up the saturation overall at the end there like that. Maybe also kind of gamma it down a little bit. Gain it up. Pretty, pretty shiny, shiny. And that's pretty fucking good. Save. The little thing's not going away, whatever, it doesn't matter. Let's write that out. And gaming videos, 20 bomb affiliate stream, thumbnail. Booth 45 Tino underscore B01 dot JPEG. You don't need to put numbers in because it's a still frame and frame range. This is a gotcha. In Nuke you don't have to do this. In Nuke it just takes, well actually in Nuke you kind of do have to do that sometimes, but and it's not an option in the right node. It pops up, doesn't it? Frame range, manual, and I just want frame 1. It's taking all of the stills, which is the frame we're on. Save. Why do I keep saving, man? Why do I keep doing this to myself? There we go. Render. I need to render it again because I need to just go RGB. Render. We go to gaming videos. There it is. Done. Let's see if Natron has an edge blur node. It does. Fantastic. Just gonna add that in here. I was gonna add it here. Difference between that. So the difference adding that edge blur in is just that. It's done the edges in the thing. That's not good. That's not good. Edge blur. How is it? External matte. That might be it. Yeah, that's what I would expect. That's better. This is taking the edge off of it's taking the edge off of those pixelated edges there. It's not the best fix in all the world, but it's a worthwhile improvement. Just re-render that. Now when I open this up, a little better, a little nicer. Cool, man. It's a pretty good one. Twitch affiliate, yay. I'm also just, so I'm just gonna save project. Just gonna up a version in case I decide to tweak it later. Save as 20 bomb, do now. Save. There we go. Done. Okay. I was gonna do... well, let's just do it. Let's just keep it going. Productivity. Let's close this. So, just for satisfactory's sake, there it is again. If I do this, I think it goes... Yeah, that looks nicer. Twitch affiliate. And 20 Bomb Warzone gameplay. Spoiler alert, we got the win as well. It's a good watch. Probably my best gaming YouTube video. It'll be up tomorrow. It'll be up tomorrow. Why not today? Because I'm doing this today. Okay. Excuse me. We have a Natron. Gaming video, so brand, YouTube, live streams, thumbnail making, Natron icon, and save. Is my mic still coming through loud enough? Yep, I think so. We're gonna go save it to do it in here. YouTube film, live streams, thumbnail making, new folder, Natron series, hit 1. Okay. Natron series, hit 1. Video 1. I am just gonna get some water. I'll be right back. Be right back. that. I just realized I don't even need my headphones on because I'm not playing anything. Excuse me. Much lighter on the head. Okay. Format 1080. Just double check that was 1080. We just finished that. Gaming videos here. Thumbnail version. Does it tell me the resolution here? Natron. Well, if I just do this. HD. Yeah, nice. Okay. So I'm making a series on Natron. Let's get a Windows print screen. Pictures, screenshots, Natron. This just gives me a background to work with. A picture of me, and seeing as these thumbnails are going on different channels, I might just use the same picture I just took and just prepped. So if I go new Natron and open recent, if that's a thing, yes, open this. If I just grab, this section here, actually that's a good point. Did that actually work over there in those areas? We were supposed to check that, weren't we? Looks like it did. Yay. Okay, so if I grab this stuff, cool. Just reuse that, I think. Oh, I already had an edge blur on that. Got Natron background. We got it. Yes. Let's make it 60. Let's reformat that to there. Move me. Put me in the properties. Then scale this up just a smidge vertically so we don't have the white. Natron. We need a picture of like a really big Natron script like we just made here. Can I make this look any bigger? Let's just cheat a little bit here. Put some of this stuff over here. There we go. Print screen that one. Natron 02. To our project, this one here. Take that. Okay. Probably do a crop. reformat. So to save me having to put these reformats over here, I'm just going to do it above the reformat. It's pretty basic stuff. Scale it down. Maybe even do something really dumb. I mean, it's not at all correct, but it might just work. And instead of that, I might just do this. Do I want to take those God rays and have them coming out of Natron? Probably. Reuse, 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 reuse. Do this. That. Scale them. Well, no, I don't even need to do that. Okay. Format, we'll do that old. Or should we just do it like this? I wonder, and then just try to grab all of them, move them to behind that, draw a couple more. So like the rays are coming out of the Natron. Skinny one. Big one. One more. There we go. Constant to the. I mean, this is the way I like to work. You can do it however you want, but this splits out the kind of control a little bit. Mask. I need it to be this resolution, 1200. Format 1200 by 1200 right there. Plugging the constant into a reformat should just give it its resolution. Yeah, so without it does the project resolution with it does the reformat's resolution. So that's what I'm doing there. And give the format a color. So let's just give it white for now. So that should work. It's not for some reason. Yeah, it's behaving kind of weirdly, but what if I do that? There we go. None, center, height. Okay. Whatever, it should have worked the other way. It doesn't nuke, but anyway, there we go. I'm just going to give it some overscan by scaling it up a bunch. And now we have our shape. Should be able to do a show overscan here, maybe not. Never mind. Right, okay, I've been live almost 2 hours. This will be maybe the last one, maybe not. So now we have Natron, and we can do stuff like this. Just temporarily like grade this down a little bit, so we have it coming out here. We can blur it by some. Do the same thing, blur it again by a lot, mix it back a little bit, give it a bit of a glowy sort of effect. Cool. I saved it. It's force of habit. It didn't take this long at work. Nothing would get done if it did. And why are we reformatting it there? away with that. There we go. Just need to make these a little bigger. Should only select those points, but whatever. Natron. Grade it down a little less. Oh, I saved. Man, let's go. Whoa. Should be able to select just a portion of these like that, but apparently not. There we go. Shift click points, not quite as quick, shall we say, but there we go, there we go. A little bit of too much detail there. Once it gets blurred, I guess. Doesn't quite know what to do. Edge blur, let's try this again. Really just not liking that, is it? Maybe it's one of these sort of things. Shuffle. Alpha from A. Constant. Maybe it works down here. That. I don't think so. Nah, bugger it, whatever. What? Did I save again? No. Yeah, that shit happens. That's probably because I have a bunch open as well. Yes, let's try. Nothing. Discard. Okay. That's a part of using Natron, I'm afraid. Natron series, open. I think it opens a whole new one, doesn't it? Oh, did it? No. Okay, cool. Okay, great. I didn't save after doing this. Okay. Oh, you're joking. You're gonna click the middle piece. And it's taken the whole damn shape. That's just not how it should work. That's okay. You get what you pay for. In this case, you get way more than what you pay for because we didn't pay anything for it. It's just bothering me, this edge, because it's above grey. That's all. So let me just tidy it up. Tidy it up a little bit. There. Okay. Save. And wait. Save and wait. Save and wait. What is giving me this big bounding box? It'll be this one here. Do we have bounding box from B? That makes it a lot smaller. And the same to you, bounding box from B. Okay, so that's pretty cool. It's just not very eye-catching. So we could try and maybe make this like blue or something. I love how it updates real time. That's so good. Natron. Red. Kind of looks cool, but is it? And then we need some text, tell us what's in it. Natron tutorial series. Yep, 1. That's gonna go down here. We're gonna make it bold, bold, ultra bold. tint. It's gonna be red. I already know that. Mask. Actually, no, it might be something else. Maybe not red. Let's see. Maybe green. Maybe blue. Ah, man, why do I always go to green? I really want green to work. Natron tutorial series, EP 1. Just looks... How do I make it look better? You know what I mean? Do I blur the background? That always makes it look nicer. It makes me stand out as a smidge saturation. Put some color on those nodes. I need to be a smidge bigger. There. A smidge more saturation. Take a smidge more out of that. Just. Bothering me for some reason. The mask. Yes. Lift. 4. Smidgeless green. Done. Cool. Those have gone to hell again. Oh, I saved it. Stencil. Stencil. I might try doing that. My shirt is open that much because I'm missing this button. Fun fact. Okay, well, for now, should I just try white? What? Maybe, maybe if I give it a little backdrop as well. Do that, and then I go do the whole row thing around here. So look at that. I go like this. Make a roto shape. Boom, 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 boom. And we go constant. We did this earlier. I want to make it like a gray color. Like that. Mask. Mask. That. And edge detect. Edge detect. Yep, there we go. Nice. Road that sucker up. Adjust region of distribution. No, I don't know what that means. ROD, region of rendering. I don't know. G. Clamped and shuffle BA. Cool. And then over like so. Hello, where's my text at? Where's my text? Oh, here. Just like that. That makes it look a whole hell of a lot better. But we need the alpha channel from that. And that combined. Hello. Ugh. Alpha. Come on now. There. There. Alpha will be a screen. Screen, 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 screen. And then we're going to go shuffle. Alpha is from a. Maybe one click smaller, maybe two. And you need to be one click smaller, maybe two. And the rotos need to be extended. I'm getting a phone call. Hello. Okay. Oh, I saved it. There we go. There, that's starting to look better. It's hard to get past that stage of, oh, it doesn't look good. Natron tutorial series, EP 1, basics. Yep. I think that looks pretty good considering it's all grey software and black and white logos. Just yeah. That'll do it. Okay, so let's render that out with the right node. So it's taking me to my affiliate thing. I need to go back here, brand, YouTube film. Don't actually have a project folder for these yet, so Natron series episode 1. All I'll probably do is change the color and picture here for the rest of them. And the title, and we'll be good. Maybe the background as well, but same layout. What do I want to call it? Natron series Tino 01 video 1 dot jpeg. Save. RGB manual frame range 1. Render. You always got to check these things from Natron, especially because sometimes Natron just bugs out, and so you just got to go in and check that it all worked. See that there's broken, which it has a propensity to do. Should I say proclivity in Natron's case? Is it? Yeah, it doesn't seem to like me doing both of these at the same time. There we go. Oh my god. Nobody move. Render. Success. What is this? This shape in the middle here. Damn it. Where the hell is that coming from? Oh, let's delete the crop node. Bizarre. Some of those weird things. Natron will do this to you. You gotta thoroughly QC your images. Check it hasn't just done anything weird. Looking good. I kind of want to carry this on, but I'm not going to risk re-rendering it. There we go. There's one more thumbnail to make. I might as well just get them all done. Okay, my eyes are starting to get sore. File, save. File, save as. Doesn't go to where the script is currently saved. Oh. 1 v1 v02 save. Wait for that to change. Close it out. Whenever I finish with Natron, I always just completely close it, reopen it. just for stability's sake. You might not have to do it with something like Nuku or After Effects, but Natron you might as well. Okay, let's see if I can find my logos, social media logos. YouTube. There we go. Save this. Live streams, live stream theme. Default thumbnail 1. And I just want to open that what we just did. I'm going to use it for a third time. At some point, eventually, I'll go and make another one of these, but for today's sake, I'm going to just reuse it. Settings, HD, the project settings, merge. Yes, I know. Let's see if I can remember where I put that live thing. Actually, see if I can remember where I made it. It was in the temp one. Is that open? First one we made. This. Yes. That. That. So the purposes of this thumbnail here is to just have like a, if I'm going live for something and I forgot to make a thumbnail or whatever, this will hopefully be something I can just whack on there. Might use it a couple of times. Hello? Background. Yes, I know. Live. Da, da, da. Oh, you know what? We're gonna use it again. Save. We're gonna go over to this one. Close. Open. Natron project. Open. Grab that little roto shaped thing we did. So we have a masterclass in doing the same thumbnail over and over again. Grab that. And we use it as our entire background. So like this. So that could be constant. That's our background. Make another one and make the color white. I'm going to use a key mix. My phone's going off. What's that? Have you got any use for more placement? Sorry guys, certainly. key mix, we're gonna make a little thing like this. Mask there. Move that into the center more. Damn, the center is visible in my current layout. Isn't it? Yes. Treat it as a frame, Natron. That's just use it as a frame. No, dude. I might just tidy up the right away. Just do it like this. Just going all from a center point. Every one of these into the middle. Let's go. Yeah, I was smart to do these ones as single points. I was not smart to do these ones as not single points. Twice as much work for the same result. There we go. Almost there. Done. Okay, and ta-da! What color should I make it? Do I have a color wheel? Color wheel. Red. So we want to kind of make it like a cyan-y color. I'm going the opposite side of the spectrum of the color that I'm using, which is also coincidentally this color. So the constant will be kind of like a somewhere in there to make it kind of nice-ish. This rotor gets slightly refined every time. Every time. Those nice. This, man, I should have. So if I make these all overs, I can force it to work by using a more stable method instead of the tidier stencil. Whatever. Here we go. Over, we'll hide the bottom one. And here we'll hide all of these. Now, we've got this and this. And we're just going to stencil, just like that. With a node instead. Stencil, done. Shuffle. Yep. Alpha from A alpha. There we go. Fixed. Should have done that a while ago. You know what might be cool if I make this like a lightsaber? If I go wait, what? Oh yeah, okay. And then it's the easiest way to do it now. Tab, erode. that one, and then Kmix. Let's just try this. Connect to an actual white constant. Like that. What I've done is taken that and put white in the middle here. Let's see. Does that look cooler with or without it? I think with. Yeah, I think like that. Adds a bit of three-dimensionality to it. Where did I had like a website, probably brand website. Thumbnails. No. Social links. YouTube. Film. That instead of that. There we go. Just tell it, you know, a little kind of filmmakery. I'm gonna do two, so I'm gonna do this one here. Go away, bugs. Thank you. Fit. Redraw, right node, cancel, redraw, whatever. Folder, Natron series, no, we want live stream theme. Default thumbnail 1.jpg, save, manual 1, render. Let's check that worked. Brand film stream 0. I'm slouching again. Default thumbnail. Yep. Looks good. And then we want to go text. Do the whole thing. Film making live. It is filmmaking, I think. I already have live. Bold, ultra bold. Scale her up a bit. There, yep. We know. There. Filmmaking. Huh? Why did I move? Okay, so I'm going to take this, but instead of this text node here, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to move it up. I'm going to take this roto node, and we're going to just spin that. Rectangle. I want this one to be perfect. How do I? There we go. Wait, what? Got it. Filmmaking. I know we're on YouTube because we're on the website. So we do something like this. I also want to kind of replace these, try swapping these two positions around. YouTube live filmmaking. I don't like it. Go back. Fuck. And a very big clipboard. History list, I mean. I'm starting to not enunciate very well. Live YouTube filmmaking. I think I like the other one better. It's cleaner, but and I've lost it because I fucking warning. That's interesting. Nan value been converted to 1. Interesting. Oh, we got a Nan up here. That's what's causing it. That's okay. It seems to have realized and is working it. Nan stands for not a number, and they're bad. You don't want them. 2 render. Cool. I need to save this as a new version. Save project. I actually got all of them done. I did all of the thumbnails I set out to do. That's fantastic. Save project as default thumbnail Natron project version 2. Save. Only took me 2.5 hours. Woo! 2.5 hours straight focused work on a Sunday. Nothing better than it. Done. 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 So we made these. Stream thumbnail 2. Made that one. That's the one we're using. We made that one. We made 2 of the. Oh no, it didn't work. There's a bug. There's a bug. No. Cancel. File. Open recent. Did it do that on both? I didn't notice it on the first one. Ah, it didn't have that in the first one, did I? Did I? But it, look, see this? This is what Natron will do to you. 1 got rewritten over stream thumbnail. Hold up. Hold up. Brand. YouTube filmmaking stream. So default thumbnail. That's wrong. That's right. Broken. Man, I thought I was done. Okay, so O2 has got the wrong resolution from somewhere. Where? Good, 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 good. Let's fucking do away with that then, shall we? W. Save. Yes. Project manual 1. Render. It's finished. And this, it should be perfect. Done. File. Save project. See, I was getting tired. I didn't notice that stuff straight away. Okay. It's kind of good. I accidentally didn't save the first version alternate. So I have to not remake it, but get it to work. Cancel file, open recent, default version 1. Okay. I think that was 8. If I'm not mistaken. That was down there. And then that was definitely not 8. That's too big. Well, it might have been 8. But it should be smaller. Kind of like that. And then you can be a little bit bigger at 8. Alive. And we don't want that one. We do want that one. And we do want that one. So this thumbnail 1. So this is the scary part. That there might get. I'm just gonna rename it so that it's safe. Well, render 1. No nans, no weirdness, nothing broken. Default 1, default 2. See? How does that happen? How does that happen? I lost O2. It literally rewrote both of them, even though I had renamed this. Isn't that bizarre? And this one's more pixelated too. Hasn't done as good a job on the rendering. That is so damn strange. I'm just going to check on my other computer real quick to see if it's doing the same thing. Filmmaking, live streams. O1 JPEG. Yeah, looks good. O2 underscore. Bugged. What the hell? Okay, I'm just going to take a copy of this because it's doing that thing it does. File, save project. Go away. Go away. Is there a close project? Edit. Oh, close project. Ah, yeah, but it does that, doesn't it? Open her up. I don't know why, but versioning, somehow Natron, like, you up version and it will just kill, like, it will rewrite over the old version and the new one, even though that's nowhere in there. It must be a cache thing or a temp. Something. I do not know. But if I render this, so I rendered one write node. Okay, just one. So this should still be fine. Good. Safety. That's the safety version. So default. Good. O2. Wait, no. Oh, fuck. Done. Finished. We don't need that one. That one's broken. Delete. Yes. File. Save project. Wait for a while. Not responding. It's probably the Synology that's doing it. Okay, so we got the current stream thumbnail. We got the Natron series episode 1 basics thumbnail. Hopefully there's no spelling mistakes in there. We've got the default 01. We got the default 02 and gaming videos, thumbnail funnel. We have a broken. How did it break it? How did it do that? Natron is a scary thing, man. It overwrites stuff it should not touch. That's bizarre. See, now I'm scared to rerender the one that just happened, that I just looked at, because it might break any of the others. No. So weird. I've seen this a lot with it. Okay, let's see. It's just rendered the part that so bizarre right there. It's gonna do the same damn thing. And then gone. Redraw. Done. I don't think that's the right resolution. Oh, that's fine. Okay, so there we go. So we did that one, we did that one, we did these two, and we did that one. All of the thumbnails. Good. I'm gonna. Do I dare check on stream whether or not they broke? I do. I definitely do. Okay, so we got that one. Can I do this? Ah, there's no like history thing. Default. Oh, thank goodness. Default 1. I can see that arrow and I think it's a bug. And we got live streams, thumbnail making. We got stream thumbnail 2. Yeah. Not that that one matters because it's done, but I still don't want to lose it. This one I did, yeah, right before I went live. Natron series. Thumbnail version 1. Beautiful. Good. That's my favorite one. I like this one too. It looks professional. I like them all. Done. There's an extensive look. No, not really. A long form look at making some thumbnails in Natron. Now this resource will forever be available. All of this stuff that I've been doing with these thumbnails is a lot easier than actual filmmaking. Well, I mean, like motion compositing of any kind, because it's just one frame, so you can be as messy as you want in the no graph. You can do a big roto shape that extends down the whole thing. Oh, it's the same picture in everyone, isn't it? It's fine. I should take a bunch more of these. I do have some. I should definitely just go and roto out a bunch of them. Just spend 2 hours doing it. Just get the rest that I'll ever need. Okay, cool. Well, that settles it. I'm gonna end the stream now. I haven't recorded this Natron series, but it will be up soon, so there'll be much more stuff there, and you can ask any questions in the comments for these videos, or the stream probably. I think I'll be able to find these. Tomorrow this video will be uploaded to my other YouTube channel. I think the link is in my channel. Oh, it's not. I need to add it here. I'll add my other little YouTube channel link here. But it's Pro has a, I think. That's this one here. Bam. It'll go up here. Little Call of Duty thing. And yeah. Cool. Well, have a lovely day, everyone. Lovely night. Take care. All the love, all the power. Wim Hof. Anything else? Nah, that's it. Alright. I am going to go. Bye. Thanks for watching.